Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today, I'm gonna review this little mini GT, which I already took out of the blister. I tried to make a video of me opening it, and it's a pain in the butt, and I knocked my phone over, so it's already out of this part, which I picked up off of a cool castings on Whatnot, as well as this here real quick, Matchbox Volkswagen set. 74 Volkswagen Type 181, so the convertible style VW. Pretty cool. Nobody else was bidding on it, so I got that for $2. That's a $2 start on most of the stuff on the main lines and stuff. Which, for older stuff, that's not too bad. But anyways, in this Mini GT, I managed to get for $11. It's actually dollar starting in the Mini GTs, so these usually sell for around $15, I think, at minimum. So getting this for $11 is kind of a deal. But it'll probably be my last thing from off of Whatnot for a while, because my rent just went up. It's getting pretty expensive just to have that freedom of being on your own these days. But anyways, let's get into this Mini GT. This is the, here we go, Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. Number 23. This is the racing number. KCMG. This raced at the 2018 FIA GT World Cup in Macau. This is a release 593. Front end. That nice GTR thing there on the grill. Nismo, and of course we got all these graphics. And then these are lensed headlights. And this is going to be a left-hand drive. See that? And we got like some Japanese writing on the top right there. As you believe from the looks of it, the driver of this race car is a Japanese driver. Matsuda, there's the Japanese flag right there. 23. KC Motor Group Ltd. Got Nismo down there. These mirrors are rubber. Careful with those. And this wing is actually metal. That's nice. Now we do got the rubber tires. Metal on metal. We got the KC Motor Group on the wing there. And there's the back. The Nissan badging up top there. KCMG again. Then these look like lens taillights with a little bit of paint on them or something. Kind of, that's what it looks like. The red part's definitely lensed. So yeah, pretty cool. Nice and smooth. Yeah. Nice. So, yep, this came in the mail today. Pretty cool. Pretty cool little Mini GT. And then in this box here, it's going to have another piece like this, so I can store it all nice and neat in the box. So, slightly different than that one. But see, oh yeah, it looks like I put it in the right spot. Perfect. Be able to put it the box on nice and snug. Yeah. Boom. Nicely stored. So yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Thank y'all for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.